need a glass jar. You need some wood, a ruler, LED strips, and an on and off switch, and a rechargeable battery pack. Also, metal wires.
So, shall we get to work? And also, a glue gun.
So first, we're going to measure.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna help you with this project. Okay, boys?
Okay.
Okay.
I'm super
Hey, bud.
excited.
So to start this off, you need to make sure you have the dimension of the inside area of your container, right?
Okay.
All right. So you want to use the smallest measurement.
I think it's somewhere like here somewhere.
Okay. Yeah. You want to make sure that you're not touching the edge, or else you're gonna be in trouble later on. Okay.
Okay.
So here you go. Let's measure 3 1/4. Right there, right?
Yeah.
Make your line. That's enough. That's good.
I tried.
Yeah, you just need it as a reference, buddy. You're gonna draw everything out when you have all your line marks, okay?
Okay.
3 1/2. Okay.
But we have to make
That's
sure
fine.
that the line.
Oh, it'll be a line.
I know, just that in case we disalign, we have to redo the paper.
Yeah, now you need to take the height of the inside.
I
of
think
the
I'll take
container.
7.
Okay, that's about right.
It's not near.
Yeah, you don't want to be too tight, or else you're gonna make it bigger than what it should be, okay?
Okay. So 7 will be here.
Yes, sir. Make your mark. And then make another mark over here, over here, over here. Cool?
Doing good,
Okay.
Eli.
Now let's draw out your container, your area, so you know how big you want to make your LED light work, okay? Go all the way.
I'm just throwing here for a good reason, okay?
I know.
And now, across.
Yes, sir.
I
Well,
love
I need to see where
Oh.
where the lines are at. Your hand's blocking me. Okay, you're close. You're close. That's fine.
I tried.
You did.
Whoa. So,
This looks good.
Yes, sir.
We start off as a good start.
Okay, what do you want to write? Since we're doing this light for who?
Mom?
Okay, now you have to write out mom, okay? Now, you only have this much area, from here to here.
Okay.
Let's
here.
maximize it. How do you spell mom?
M-O-M.
Okay, you want Eddie to write it, or you want to write it? You have to write it
Probably
big.
write it.
You want to try, Em?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see.
It doesn't have to be that perfect.
It has to be big, okay? It has to be big, but not too big.
And else it will go out of the circle.
Yeah.
If it's out of the circle, it will be bad. Make sure you fit all the letters, Mom. Yeah.
It's all right. You just write it down so you can get a reference,
Okay.
okay? Uh-oh. You can't squishy it up, Shrimp.
I know, but he tried. And also you wrote down M wrong. Do you want me to show you how to write down M?
Yes.
Okay, you almost got this correct. So, but you had to erase this line and then get your M. I'll try the last M then.
Let's see.
Pretty good.
Yeah, that's good.
Just-
But then
I-
when we fold up the metal wires, it won't be the same, okay? Because
Okay.
we have to give and take.
Okay.
Got it, bud?
Yeah.
Okay. Here, just so you guys don't whack your face with it, Eddie already started one.
Thank you.
Okay? It's about pretty close.
Yeah, that's pretty close. It's like you copy it and then you paste it out like a wire.
Yeah. But when you fold the wire, it won't be exactly
I know.
the same.
Ours looks a little different to that. Overall, we still have we still have the same words at least.
Okay. Now let's set up the. Can you get the glue gun in?
Yes.
Actually, yeah, I will.
Poof, this is big.
This is behind you. Let's set up the glue gun. All right, boys. So now we have to make sure that the on and off switch are working, right?
You're right.
We know that when we connect the negative to the negative and the positive
To
to
the
the
positive.
positive on the LED strip and the battery pack, it goes on. Good? Okay.
Yes.
And now we have wire these together.
Now we need to wire this together to the on and off switch and make sure that's still working. All right?
Okay.
Wait up, Shrimp Man. So let's go.
This might take a while.
Yeah. We have fat fingers.
Dad, just call me when to plug the glue gun, okay?
I think you can. Okay, hold. You can do the on and off, okay?
Okay, Dad.
What's that?
So I'm going to go with the negative in here. Go.
Okay.
Up, go. Turn on. Switch. Hit the switch.
I need to stand up for this.
What?
Go.
It's on. It's
It's
on.
on.
It's on, guys.
So our setup is good.
Well done, Dad.
Cool? Okay.
So now we know how to set
Now
it up.
let glue. We already know the setup. So let glue the LED strip to our. What's this?
Mom sign.
Yes, sir.
Wire mom sign.
Okay.
This is cool.
So when I created this mom, boys,
Yeah.
I make sure that I have this little circle at the bottom so it can stand here like this.
Oh. I thought it was supposed to be in the bottom.
Yeah, that is the bottom.
I know, can't
Oh, you thought it was the other way around?
I know.
You thought this was the bottom?
Yeah.
How? Nope.
Because I thought that would be aligned.
Nope. So it'll be like this, okay?
Whoa, that's cool,
Okie
Dad.
dokie. Let's do this.
Let's go, boys. Please work.
Please pray God.
Oh, yeah, baby.
Yes.
Glue and LED works.
Yeah.
Let's go.
But next step.
So the hot glue does not damage the LED strip.
Yes.
Good?
Yeah. I'm excited.
Yeah. We need another LED strip for the back side.
Yeah.
Then we can cover all of this, okay? But I don't have another one, so we're going to have to go with this for now.
Okay.
Okay?
We have to take it or leave it.
Okay.
I've glued the wires.
Got it. So Daddy already did the container for your LED strip.
Yes. You'll need help with
Yeah.
the grown-up.
So I went with the circle, but
Yes.
your friends can do whichever type they like, okay?
Yes.
A square,
So-
a triangle.
This has to go
but-
inside.
This will cover the battery so it doesn't look so funky. So you need to create one hole for the charging
Port.
port. That's right. And where's the on and off switch, bub?
Put it in there. Just keep it safe.
And one slot for the
On and off
on and off switch.
Here.
Okay, let me put this in.
This is-
Before we can assemble it, we have to make sure it's in.
Whoa.
Cool?
Yeah. And
That's
guys, guess what?
sick.
Guys, guess what? This could actually fit in that.
Oh, yeah. First thing you gotta try.
And then
Yeah. You have to make it the size as the container.
I have a little joke.
Yeah.
It looked like a test tube.
It is like a test tube.
I know. I'm glad we did a test tube.
But I made this a little tight because I don't have the right material, the right tools.
Yeah, if
make-
it's tight, it's better because it's more secure.
That's true, buddy. Okay, now setup. You need to put this port,
Yeah.
this charging port, in this little hole first before we can drop the battery in, okay?
Okay.
And then auto connection, which will be a little tricky for my
Big old fingers.
big old fingers.
Why do you guys always have to say this?
Because it's hard when you have chubby fingers.
Like mine.
And My adult fingers.
And my fingers are super
Okay, buddy.
skinny. So it's easy for
Who
me.
want to put the charging
Me?
port on?
I said
No,
first.
you can't charge from in here. You have to put this on the outside. Okay? Wait up. Yeah, that's fine. You gotta go from this way, Shrimp.
What?
Yeah,
Well, I wonder how this thing will hold up to the weight of the thing.
it will.
You.
That's why you make it tight.
I tried.
You don't want to make the hole bigger than it is,
What
okay?
it is?
Yes. It
How
can be
come-
slightly bigger, and you can fix it.
How come I feel like you switched the battery for some reason?
How did I switch the battery, bud?
I know, I just feel like it.
No, silly.
I know, I just tell you the truth.
Okay, this
It's gonna be complicated.
part will be the hardest.
Yes. It's getting harder and harder.
Oh, did you turn it off?
Yeah.
Oh. Ah, that's why.
I know, I don't want you to get shock. Extra caution.
Precaution. Okay, boys. So now, you know why you need to put these sleeves in?
Yeah.
Why?
To protect yourself.
No.
What?
To protect all these wires.
Oh, forgot.
If you leave black and white cross wire, it can burn.
Okay.
Okay, boys?
Okay, and also burn the wood.
Yeah,
And you can burn down your whole entire house.
exactly. That's the worst case scenario, boys. So you gotta be careful. Make sure play it safe.
And loose leaves.
Yep. Okay. Okay. One more time.
Yeah.
Ta-da! Okay. So these sleeves, these are called shrink sleeve. So you add a little heat.
Kids don't ever play with wire.
Ooh, that is so hard.
It turns off the light. Oh, wow. Super bright.
Glowing.
Let's see if it looks. There
This
you
thing
go.
is spinning like a jack-o'-lantern.
Oh man, it's so bright.
This is so bright, guys. And it's so dark.
Yeah, look at that.
I can look at this all night.
No, you don't want to look at it, buddy. That's so cool.
Guys, you should definitely remake this. It is so fun, right, Dad?
Oh yeah, I actually enjoy doing this one with you.
Dad, tell me, do you want to do one for me and Eli?
Sure, but maybe just your initial.
Okay.
Because you notice when you make the curves, especially for the O, we can't really do it.
Yeah, even
Yeah.
the A and the N.
Yeah.
Oh,
Or else you should be fine. I mean, if we spell out your name, you probably won't be able to see a lot of the words. Like this one, we struggle with the O. But overall, it looks good, buddy. Great job. And look, the best feature, it's off.
Last feature is it's on.
Ah, that's brighting. That's
This is
blinding.
dazzling.